In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layout pages on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. Imagine you're in charge of creating beautiful dynamic web pages on Squarespace, but you're not sure where to start. Well, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident navigating and building with the Fluid Engine's flexible layout options. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account. Head over to your browser and enter the Squarespace website. With your login details handy, sign in to access your account dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the website icon. Click on it to get to the next step. It's here where you oversee your site's structure and content. After you've clicked on Website, direct your attention to the Pages tab. This is your go-to spot for managing and creating different pages on your site. Click on Pages to proceed. Now, things start to get exciting because you're just about ready to start adding and arranging content. To add a new page, seek out that small yet powerful plus icon. Click it, and this will prompt a new window to open up with a list of options. Here's where you select what kind of page layout you'd like to add. Choose page layouts from the menu, which will lead you to an important decision. Will you start from scratch, or will you lean on the pre-designed templates? It's completely your call. Whether you're opting for a blank canvas or a ready-made template, once your page is set, make sure to click on Highlight. This action will allow you to focus specifically on the new page you've just created. Right after you highlight, hit EDT to start making changes. Now you're in edit mode. A new panel will appear featuring an ADD section button. Click it. You're asked to choose between a pre-built section or crafting your own with a blank section. Remember, the Squarespace Fluid Engine works vertically by stacking sections one on top of another. Imagine each section as a grid. You can click within any section to start adding content blocks like text boxes, images, or forms. This drag and drop flexibility lets you arrange blocks anywhere across the grid. You can resize them or overlap them as you see fit. Don't hesitate to explore the View Layouts button. This option shows you different arrangement suggestions based on your content's current setup, and these can be applied automatically if you're looking for quick inspiration or need a fresh perspective. And that sums up building a layout page using Squarespace's Fluid Engine. As you wrap up your design efforts, remember to click Save to keep all your hard work intact. Congratulations! You've just mastered creating dynamic pages, allowing your creativity to flow with incredible freedom and efficiency.